Yes. Yes. You guys have been killing the game. But we should never rest on those laurels because we will never know if things will magically change. What do I mean? In psychology, may tawag po dyan. It's called the state of being or the state of becoming. The state of being is where you tell to yourself, okay na ako dito, kumota na ako pahinga muna ako ng konti. I don't need to do as much as I should because I think pupunta naman yan sa akin. May sasalo naman, for example. Right? Or you tell to yourself, this is my line of expertise. This is where I'm comfortable. I'm not gonna change. We do a lot of talks for insurance companies and real estate companies, and you'll be surprised, there are still a chunk of salespeople today that their mindset is all about flyering. Flyering in malls, right? Or networking face-to-face, and that's important. But in today's world, on top of seeing people face-to-face, you also have to be good in digital. Agree?